Blaze 200 PM. First thing to check on a PM is the inlet. Make sure nothing is blocking over here. Make sure nothing is blocking the outlet, and make sure your duct is not turned too sharply. Try to keep it as straight for as long as possible. Fuel filter, there's your element. Looks nice and clean. If it wasn't, you can replace it or clean it. And make sure to remove and replace the gaskets or washers, which is the O-ring pack for the preheat filter. To remove the top, remove 1, 2, and on the other side, 3 and 4. 8mm, I've already loosened these. Fan blades, everything turns. Combustion air setting, 0, 5, 10. There's a little notch right here. For the 200, you want to be at 3.5. Tighten it down. For higher altitudes, this may need to be adjusted and opened up. Since the air is thinner, you need more oxygen to create a good burn. Nice and clean. Take the ground screw off. We're going to look at the combustion assembly. It's a little dirty. That spins the air, your turbulator. Nozzle. Igniters, 3mm apart. Igniter cables. High pressure fuel line. Gauge is installed on the pressure side. Make sure when you turn it on, the service panel is going to be removed. So you're only gonna have a couple seconds to read this, and it'll be 174 more or less. And you want to adjust it on the front with your 4mm Allen wrench. If you turn it to the right, the pressure goes up. If you turn it to the left, pressure goes down. This is your high pressure line from your pump going to your nozzle. This is the solenoid. This is what allows your pump to supply fuel or not supply fuel. And this cord runs to the control box. On this side over here, you have your intake, your fuel supply, and your fuel return line as well.